What if I told you that simply hanging from a bar for a few minutes a day can fix your posture, strengthen your grip, decompress your spine, and even reduce body pain without lifting a single weight? No running, no sweating hard, just hanging. The right way. Hanging is one of the most underrated exercises in modern fitness. Our ancestors climbed, hung, and moved their bodies naturally every day, but today most people sit for hours, compressing the spine and weakening the upper body. Hanging reverses that damage in the simplest way possible. When you hang from a pull-up bar, your body weight gently stretches the spine. This decompression relieves pressure between the vertebrae that builds up from sitting, standing, and carrying load all day. Many people experience reduced lower back pain and neck stiffness simply by hanging regularly. It allows the spine to return to its natural alignment. Hanging also builds incredible grip strength. Your hands, forearms, and wrists are forced to support your entire body weight. Strong grip strength is directly linked to better overall strength, injury prevention, and even longevity. A weak grip limits progress in almost every exercise, and hanging fixes that naturally. Your shoulders also benefit massively from hanging. Modern lifestyles cause tight shoulders and limited mobility. Hanging opens up the shoulder joints, improves range of motion, and strengthens the stabilizing muscles. This reduces shoulder pain and lowers the risk of injury during workouts or daily activities. Another powerful benefit of hanging is core activation. To hang properly, your body must stay stable. Your abs engage, your glutes tighten, and your legs remain controlled. This turns a simple hang into a full-body exercise. Over time, this improves core strength and body control. Hanging also improves posture. As your spine decompresses and your shoulders open up, your body naturally stands taller. Good posture improves breathing efficiency, reduces fatigue, and makes you look more confident. Many posture problems are not caused by weak muscles but by compressed joints, which hanging helps correct. Breathing during hanging plays an important role. Slow, deep breathing relaxes the nervous system and reduces stress. Hanging sends a signal to your body to release tension. This makes it not just a physical exercise, but also a mental reset. Many people feel calmer and more relaxed after just a minute of hanging. Hanging can also support fat loss indirectly. While it does not burn huge calories, it improves movement quality and muscle activation. Better posture and stronger grip and shoulders allow you to train harder in other exercises. Hanging also improves recovery, allowing more consistent workouts, which leads to better fat loss results over time. There are different ways to hang depending on your level. Beginners can start with passive hanging, simply holding the bar and letting the body relax. As strength improves, active hanging can be practiced by engaging the shoulders and core slightly. Even 20 to 30 seconds per set is enough to start seeing benefits. Consistency matters more than duration. Hanging for 1 to 2 minutes every day is far better than doing it once a week for a long time. Small daily exposure allows the joints, muscles, and nervous system to adapt safely. Hanging is also joint-friendly and low impact. There is no pounding on the knees or ankles, making it suitable for people who cannot run or jump. It complements almost every fitness routine and can be done before or after workouts. In a world full of complicated workouts and expensive equipment, hanging remains simple and powerful. It reminds us that sometimes the most effective exercises are the ones our bodies were designed to do naturally. In the end, hanging like this is not about doing something extreme. It is about restoring what modern life has taken away: a healthy spine, strong grip, mobile shoulders, and a relaxed mind. Just hang, breathe, and let your body heal and strengthen itself.